The CC cordless caulking gun upgraded, a game changer in the world of caulking. Tired of sore hands and tedious manual squeezing? There are many products available to choose caulking guns, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best caulking guns from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Caulking Professional Caulking Gun. Introducing the Caulking Professional Caulking Gun, engineered with a 25:1 thrust ratio for effortless application of standard 10 ounces 300 ml 1/10 gallon sealants and adhesives. Crafted for both enthusiasts and seasoned professionals, this caulking gun prioritizes functionality. Its state-of-the-art transmission mechanics ensure precision in sealing, requiring minimal effort with a maximum power transmission of 4000 N. Even the most viscous sealants are easily processed, thanks to its high-quality construction. Constructed with durability in mind, this caulking gun employs corrosion-resistant materials to withstand rigorous construction site conditions. Its robust die-cast aluminum construction, with a material thickness of at least 5/64 inches, ensures stability without compromising on weight. Ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, it features a practical drip-stop lever for precise dispensing without messy sealant runoff. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, the Caulking Professional Caulking Gun boasts an ergonomic grip, minimalist design, and superior performance. Whether you're a professional or a enthusiast, upgrade your caulking experience with Caulking's premium quality caulking gun. Number 2. Bates Caulking Gun. Bates Caulking Gun is a reliable tool for any caulking project, boasting a 10:1 thrust ratio for effortless application. Featuring a vibrant orange color, it's easy to spot on the job site. This hand-powered caulking gun from Bates Choice Pro is designed for precision and ease of use. With a no-drip design, it ensures clean and efficient caulking, saving you time and effort. Whether you're working with silicone, sealants, or adhesives, this caulking gun is up to the task. Its barrel-style construction provides stability and control during application. Weighing just 0.46 kilograms, it's lightweight yet durable for long hours of use. The Bates caulking gun measures 12.17 x 7.6 x 2.05 inches, making it portable and easy to store. Batteries are not required, simplifying operation. Trust Bates Choice for your caulking needs, and experience the convenience and effectiveness of the Bates caulking gun. Number 3. CC Cordless Caulking Gun. Introducing the CC Cordless Caulking Gun Upgraded, a game changer in the world of caulking. Tired of sore hands and tedious manual squeezing? Say hello to a wrist-friendly solution that revolutionizes your caulking experience. Perfect for extensive projects like window and door installations or large bathroom jobs, this caulking gun is a time and hand saver. Equipped with not one but two 2.0 Ah batteries, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. With stepless speed regulation and 6-speed adjustability, control the flow with precision from 0 to 7.5 mm per second. No more messy leaks thanks to the dripless design with auto retract system. Illuminate your workspace with the built-in LED light, ideal for dark spaces like attics or garages. The package includes the electric caulking gun, 2 rechargeable Li-ion batteries, charger, and user manual. Backed by a 3-year warranty and 24/7 friendly customer support, the CC Cordless Caulking Gun guarantees a seamless caulking experience with every use. Number 4. Cordless Caulking Gun. Introducing the Cordless Caulking Gun, a game changer in your arsenal, now upgraded for 2023 with enhanced features. This powerful tool boasts a 21V motor capable of applying up to 1,200 pounds of pressure, ensuring even distribution of glue, and saving you valuable time on all your sealing tasks. Say goodbye to strained arms with its battery-powered operation, allowing precise control over flow and speed with a variable trigger and 4-speed settings. The anti-drip design prevents messy leaks during shutdown, maintaining cleanliness on your projects and the tool itself. Equipped with a high-performance 21V 2000 mAh battery, it can dispense up to 200 to 300 tubes on a single charge, with a convenient battery level indicator and rapid charger, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Versatile and adaptable, it accommodates standard 10 ounces 300 ml cartridges, and features a built-in LED light for visibility in dimly lit spaces. Backed by average 48-month after-sales service and lifetime support, this electronic caulking gun is a reliable companion for all your caulking needs. Number 5. Vichy Cordless Caulking Gun. Introducing the Vichy Cordless Caulking Gun, your ultimate companion for seamless caulking and adhesive application. Say goodbye to messy drips and wasted material with its automatic anti-dripping feature, which retracts the plunger upon trigger release. Equipped with two powerful 21V Li-ion batteries, this gun ensures uninterrupted workflow, dispensing up to 80 tubes of 10 ounces 300 ml Caulk on a single charge. Customize your application with 6 variable speeds, ranging from 0 to 14 mm per second to 0 to 33 inches min, controlled by a variable trigger for precision. The kit includes 2 types of pistons to accommodate various cartridge sizes, metal for 10 ounces 300 ml, and plastic for 20 ounces 600 ml, ensuring versatility. Packaged in a convenient toolbox, the kit also includes a multifunctional plastic scraper and a sharp scraper knife for added utility. Manufactured by Vishay, this caulking gun promises durability and reliability. With its ergonomic design and high-performance capabilities, the Vishay cordless caulking gun is a must-have tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more